Hello everybody, Learn and Prep, we are here and I'm Shubhi. I will be telling you about the first chapter of your supplementary reader book, that is The Lost Child. So this is a very beautiful story about a child and the bond that he shares with his parents, the love that he has for his parents, the affection that he has for his parents. So basically he gets lost and then what exactly happens with him, this is all there in the story. इस स्टोरी में यही सब है कि जब बच्चा गुम जाता है तो उसके साथ क्या क्या होता है और किस तरह से वो स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती है और वो किस तरह का उसका रिएक्शन होता है गुमने के बाद. That is all there in this story, The Lost Child. There are many moods, there are many बहुत सारे moods आपको देखने को मिलेंगे जो हमारे राइटर हैं उन्होंने जो इस चैप्टर के बारे में इस चैप्टर में जो इस स्टोरी में जो लिखा है, इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. चलिए तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. It was the festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. So what happens is, it was the festival of spring. ठीक है, स्प्रिंग फेस्टिवल की बात हो रही है. स्प्रिंग आप सब समझते हैं, बसंत ऋतु, राइट. एंड फ्रॉम द विंट्री शेड्स ऑफ नैरो लेन्स. विंट्री शेड्स वाई? बिकॉज स्प्रिंग कम्स जस्ट आफ्टर द विंटर सीजन. सो इट वॉज सॉर्ट ऑफ विंटर एंड वेर एवर देयर वाज शेड यू कुड फील दैट कोल्ड. होता है कभी कभी जहाँ अब हम छाया में चले जाते हैं तो इट इज़ कोल्ड, बट वेन वी गो इन द सन इट इज़ हॉट. येस, इट्स pleasant. So similarly in the wintry shades, यानी कि जहाँ जहाँ shade था it was cold, it was wintry, it felt कि winters हैं अभी भी. लेकिन जैसे ही कोई उस shade से बाहर जाए it felt as though it was beautiful, pleasant. Okay, and alleys, what are alleys? Alleys are like small lanes, okay, between two buildings, okay, a row of buildings. Emerged a gaily clad humanity. Gaily clad humanity means to say people beautifully dressed, okay, very bright and shiny, okay. Some walked, some rode on horses, some were walking, some were riding on the horses, and there were some who sat on either bamboo carts or on bullock carts. Bullock carts, you know, बैलगाड़ी. Bamboo carts यानी कि जो गाड़ियाँ सिर्फ जिसमें बैल नहीं होता. Okay, somebody else is driving. Okay. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. Can you see here? There's a little boy. He is just running. He is so happy. He is playful. Why? Because it is spring festival. It is spring season, and the weather is pleasant. Okay, and he is going somewhere basically. Okay, he is going somewhere with his parents. So he is just running between the legs. That means what does it show? कि वो बहुत खुश है. He is very happy. Okay, it's a good, beautiful atmosphere, environment. Everything is at place. Okay. Brimming over with life and laughter. Brimming over means to say वो खुशी से सरोवर है. Okay. He is full of life, full of laughter. That means the amount of happiness that is shown in these words is